Good morning. Oh, look at these beautiful bananas. They look like they want me to eat them. Okay. It's 8:30. Well, almost. Also, look at this beautiful apple. What? The color is unreal. Russ is still sleeping. I still look like Hagrid. I've already eaten a banana, and I wish I could eat like 3 more, but I'm gonna wait, and I'm going to make a cup of this. So I have never had matcha, and I might be making a huge mistake by trying this and thinking I hate it, because I don't know if I like matcha, but I'm gonna give it a go. There is some sugar in it, but that's fine. There's also stevia in it, so. Okay, let's try to make a matcha. I have one of these fancy things. I'm not gonna fill it up too much because I don't want it to spray out everywhere. Okay. Okay, now I'll add more water. Okay, this is gonna sound so weird, but it tastes like, I just tasted it and it just immediately tasted like Kraft mac and cheese. I know. That's immediately what it tastes like to me. What the heck? It even kind of smells like it. Like, if you know, you know. I mean, less so now. Now it's more grassy. I don't hate it, but I like coffee better. So these have, okay, wait, let me tell you this. Let me tell you. Okay, so comparatively in the caffeine department, 1 cup of black coffee has anywhere from 70 to 140. So on average, it's apparently 95, according to Google, milligrams of caffeine. Matcha here has only 20 milligrams of caffeine. Now, I don't drink coffee anymore for the reason of too much caffeine definitely has an effect on me, making me like feel jittery, and I just feel like I have too much energy and I don't know what to do with it. I wasn't always that way until I went plant-based, and then I don't know, it was just like something, ooh, it was making my skin crawl. So I cut out coffee. I did it like slowly, I didn't do it go cold turkey, but on the occasion I do enjoy drinking their coffees. They only have 50 milligrams of caffeine in them. They're pretty expensive, but I guess when you're comparing it to like a cup of coffee at, you know, like Starbucks or something, it's probably the same. I don't know, because I hate Starbucks coffee, so always did. The latte mix in them, they have like coconut milk powder, and it's pretty good. Yep, still kind of tastes like mac and cheese. I know, that's so weird. Probably the only one. But anyways, all right, I'm gonna enjoy this now and wait for my blood sugars to chill out. They're 145 right now. And I have 2.5 units of insulin on board. So after they calm down, I'm gonna eat this. All right, maybe I'll eat another banana, I don't know. Bye. I'm gonna go drink this cheese matcha. I'm checking my blood sugars again. I did eat some of this bar along the way, so hopefully that wasn't a mistake. Nope, they're 150. I think that's pretty perfect. I don't have any insulin on board, so I'm going to go and ride. Angel boy, don't say that. Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa. Why be faithful when you got hoes? Drop top and off we go. We gon' pop off the top. Back home, my sugars are 95. Pretty darn perfect. grayer. Ouch, it's really burning my skin. Trying to get some recipes done. Okay, I'm gonna put some maple butter on these. If you want the recipe for these donuts, let me know in the comments below and I will post them. But if you don't, then there's no point in me taking the time. So let me know. They are pumpkin. Oh yes, this looks really great. I'm using this stuff from, can you see? This stuff from Trader Joe's. It is like crack. Not that I would know, but I assume it's pretty addictive. Oh my gosh, I feel like I have to photograph these. They're so beautiful. Oh my gosh. The texture. It is perfect of that, of a cake donut. I'm in heaven. Russ is helping me film.
Yeah, do this one closest, like this one.
Okay, is it recording?
Yeah.
Did that look gross?
No, it's icing.
Oh, okay. I get what you're saying.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow your knife. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go.
So ate dinner a little bit early and I am just kind of starting to feel tired, so I wanted to go ahead and Sterling, sit. Yeah, I'm talking to you. Sit down. Down. Okay. Anyways, had dinner a little bit early. I just kind of was feeling tired, so I wanted to go ahead and shower and eat. It was a good day. I always feel so just so happy when I'm out at the barn getting to ride. You know, think back of all the years that I was able to ride every day, and I just miss it so much. And it's been such a blessing this past year to be able to get back into it. Like, I'm definitely not where I was, but hopefully one day I'll get to that point of having my own horse. I guess that's it. I'll see you in the next video. I just wanted to say thanks for hanging out with me. If you want a tofu scramble recipe, feel free to check that out in the description box. I'm gonna go finish reading my book and play with this puppy. Okay.